In today's session, I'm talking to you about how you can get more clients, how to set up your ads so you get clients into your business on automation. All right, so when I say automation, what do I mean by that? I mean like autopilot, right? As in, so you literally set it and forget it. Okay, that's the beauty about ads. Okay, and so let's get some good light. All right, so once you set an ad up, all right, it is good to go. That's the idea. Okay, and is that better? You liking that? Okay, so for example, you know, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, all of these platforms leverage, you know, people's want to get their message out to more people. And you know, like, I know this sounds crazy, but remember when like Facebook got you remember when Zuckerberg got interviewed by you know, all those people in government, etc., for the information breach. I was amazed at how people didn't really understand how Facebook makes its money. It's really simple. Facebook, you know, have all the people on there. Like there's billions and billions of people on these platforms. How you can reach them is by advertising to them. So the concept of clients and automation is actually a methodology I've built, all right, a system where you know, for example, you have a group, you have a PDF, you have, you know, a way of like deciphering whether your hook, you know, the hook on the ad, all right, the message on the ad and the offer on the ad. Those are the three elements: the hook, all right, the message, the story of the ad, speaking to that specific person, you know, picking out that specific niche, you know, like really kind of making sure that that is a high valued gift. You're giving something away, whether it's a free session, a download, you know, free call, a PDF, etc. And in exchange, they're giving you an email address, and the email address is the asset. The email address is the asset, right? That's the reason that WhatsApp was able to sell for so much, right? You know, WhatsApp, the phone company, they were the first business that you know, like a, you know, they were the first sort of kind of technology-based business that sold for you know, 10 times more than anyone thought they would, because they collected email addresses. And I know you're probably thinking, where do they put my email address? Well, they did the deal with the phone provider, and so they have all your information. And so information is power. And if you want to leverage, you know, your business so you can touch more people, you need to capture an email address. Now, in marketing terms, one email address is worth to you £1 per month. So for example, if you have 10,000 email addresses, you should be generally as a whole be making £10,000 a month. If you have 80,000, all right, 60,000, 50,000, 100,000 email addresses, then that's proportionally what you should be making a month, because you should be selling an offer, communicating a service. So the goal of clients and automation is to get people's information by giving them stuff. And this thing, you know, like the messenger, the email sequences, the messenger bot, the whole thing is done on automation. As in, you know, like for example, I have an entire email sequence, I have an entire messenger bot sequence, I have an entire sequence that puts people into the group, you know, puts people in a communicational sequence, and it's automated. Like, I'm not doing it. So you have to get clients on automation. You have to get a system by which you can touch more people quicker and concisely. So one of the things that I talk about, for example, is ManyChat, which is a messenger bot system. You know, it's, you know, probably one of the most powerful touch point systems. You know, I'd say also like giving information away, really high value. I say this all the time, but you must give high valued information away, all right? Otherwise, you know, people aren't going to know about your service. That's how people know about your service. No different to back in the old days. That's how it used to happen, right? People would, you know, like ask for your information, and in exchange, you know, you'd get some contact details. So rather than a business card today, give out free information. All right, here's what I want you to do. Click over here for the next video so you can get more followers on Instagram. Genuine ways to build your Instagram account so you can get more clients, make more impact, make more income. So click the link and I will see you on the next video.